Hey everybody and welcome to this video. Today I won't talk about my games or projects but about this game called Punch a Bunch. It's made by Pontypants and after I stumbled across his latest video I definitely had to test this game. But before I tell you what I think about it and what bug I have found, I want to make clear that it's just my opinion and nothing more. Anyways, after I woke up at 5 a.m. I had to work for a few hours in a supermarket, but then I could finally start the game and instantly fell in love with the step sounds. Okay, enough about that. I took some notes while playing and here's what I came up with. So because I watched a few devlogs about Punch a Bunch, I knew how the punching works but it was still a little bit strange in the beginning. Especially punching with the left hand felt weird, because to time the leaning and releasing the left shoulder button right was for some reason harder than doing it on the right side. Maybe Pontypants, just in case you are watching, you could make the player punch without having to release the shoulder button. I thought about this and I guess it would feel better if the player does the hard punch in the moment he leans into the punch. I hope you understand what I mean and I can be wrong here, but maybe you can try it out and see if it fits better. Anyways, after I figured out how to punch, the demo made a lot of fun. The feedback you get when hitting the enemy is awesome, and with feedback I mean this hit effect, the sounds and the loading of the fist. So really good job on this. The only thing that was missing in the demo is in my opinion an option to test blocking. But overall I'm really looking forward to punch the shit out of my little brother, of course just in game, because if you figured out how to punch it feels awesome and unique. But wait, I mentioned a bug and here it is. For some reason I did hard punches when I got out of power and close to the enemy. I tried it a few more times but it just happened once so I think it's not a big deal. So before I continue working on my multiplayer horror game I just want to say that you should definitely check out the demo, link to it is in the description and just in case you don't know Pontypants, which might not be the case, a link to his channel is in the description as well. But now thanks for watching and if you're interested check out my devlog playlist, if not you're missing something. Just joking, but maybe I'll see you next time.